Chicken empanadas. Hi everyone, welcome to the Cookie Couture where flavor and design collide. Today I am going to be sharing how I like to make chicken empanadas using the dough that I shared with you on the previous video. But first, if you are new here on my channel, don't forget to subscribe and push the notification button, and let's get started. I am going to start by preheating my oven at 350 Fahrenheit degrees, and I am going to slightly beat an egg. If you want to know how to make the dough, please click the link above and also check in the description of this video. Here I have a 4-inch circle cookie cutter, and I just take out my dough from the fridge. I am going to roll out the dough using a rolling pin with some rings, and I am going to roll it slightly thinner than 1/4 of an inch. So first I roll it out using the rolling pin with the rings, and then I take out the rings so I can make it a little thinner. I also have ready a lined baking sheet with a baking mat. Now I am ready to cut out the circles. And for the filling, I am going to use a chicken filling, and in the description of this video I will leave you the link for the recipe. To make the filling is super easy. I just made a sofrito using tomato, onion and garlic. Then I added shredded chicken, carrots and potatoes. And I like to put a little bit of the filling in the center of the circle. And one thing that I love about this dough is that you can make savory or sweet empanadas. Now I am going to brush a little bit of the egg wash around the circle of the dough, and I am going to close them. I like to close the empanadas two different ways. One is very simple. I just put together the two sides of the circles and make some little pinches and pinch the sides of the empanada with the fork. And the other one is just closing the empanada, and then using a fork I will seal the two sides of the dough. And I pinch the top of the empanada with the fork. I brush the top of the empanadas with the egg wash, and I bake them at 350 Fahrenheit degrees for about 30 to 45 minutes, and that's it. These empanadas are so delicious and they are quite easy to do, so please give them a try. Thank you very much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe, give it a thumbs up, push the notification button, and see you next time. Bye bye.